How do you change your voice on Facebook Messenger? Today, you might want to change your voice and send it to someone in Messenger Facebook. So, for that, the very important thing that you should do is install the latest version of Messenger on your device. If you have done so, then just log into your account and open it. So, when you tap on the profile of any person that you want to call and just call them, then tap on the three horizontal three dots and see on the call settings, then you will not see any option of changing voices. So the problem is how you do that. So let me tell you that Facebook Messenger has no option to change your voice on Messenger. The only option that you can do to change your voice on Messenger and send it to the person is go on the Google Play Store on your device. After going on the Google Play Store on your device, on the top search bar, you can simply search for voice changer, and when you search for voice changer, many apps will be shown on your screen. Just tap any app, and if you have any saved recorder, then do open it and then save the recording in your device after changing your voice, save in your file, and then send it on the messenger. That's how you can send the voice changing message to your messenger friend. So I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.